Hello guys, I'm Salah Mark Roland and I'm here to report about prototype design. So, what is prototype exactly? A prototype is a tool for visualizing a smorgasbord of interactive design work. In effect, prototypes at almost any stage are an amalgamation of all the work that came before into a single, visible, functional piece. Prototyping is essential for resolving usability issues before launch. It can also reveal areas that need improvement. Once a drop of your product idea is in the hands of the real users, you will finally see how they want to use the prototypes have four main qualities: representation, precision, interactivity, and evolution. Representation: the actual form of the prototype, that is paper and mobile or HTML. Precision: the fidelity of the prototype, meaning its level of detail, polish, and realism. Interactivity: the functionality open to the user, for example, fully functional, partially functional, or view only. And lastly, the evolution, the life cycle of the prototype. Some are built quickly, tested, thrown away, and then replaced with an improved version. This is known as rapid prototype. There are four common types of prototyping used in the software industry today. The first one, rapid throwaway prototyping, is the most commonly used, and plus its name refers to the ease and speed with which a prototype can be modified to try different ideas with the user, audience, and incorporate their. Rapid prototyping is also known as throwaway prototyping because the prototype is expected to be relevant only in the short term, such as one sprint in the Agile development framework. The second one is the evolutionary prototyping. It differs from the traditional notion of a software prototype. An evolutionary prototype is a functional piece of software, not just a simulation. The third one, incremental prototyping, is useful for enterprise software that has many modules and components which may be loosely related to one another. In incremental prototyping, separate small prototypes are built in parallel. The risk with incremental programming is the look and feel can vary so much among the prototypes. The modules feel like completely different piece of software. And lastly, the extreme prototyping is more common for web application development. Web applications are composed of presentation layer and service layer. In presentation layer, displayed in the user browser, while in service layer, communication service, business logic, authentication and iteration, other back-end service.